Come on, let's go. Yes. You look good in your green shorts. What's wrong with them? Why? Why not, buddy? Why? What's wrong with your shorts? You look good though. You look good, champ. Look at them green. Why? Come here. Get back. Come here. Your room is a mess, bud.
I want that one.
Which one?
That one.
You want those ones?
Yeah.
No, you're wearing those shorts.
No.
Yes. What's wrong with your shorts?
No, that one.
Come on, let's go. Let's go play your tablet.
That one.
Let's go. You really gonna act like that's because of your shorts? Then take them off. Let's get your new shirt. Give me your pants. Put your pants on. Put your new ones. Really? You're silly.